Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. So today what we're doing is the unboxing of my iPhone 13 plus a few other goodies as well. So here we have everything that we've actually received from Apple today. This one actually came a little earlier, so I already know what this one is. It is the case for the 13 Pro Max. So we'll take a look at that a little later on. First thing we'll do is we'll get this particular package opened. So we have the 13 Pro Max, put that to the side, we'll get this torn off. And in here we have the iPad mini. Okay, now I did also order a iPhone mini, which for some reason doesn't seem to have turned up. I did get a notification saying there would be a later delivery, so whether or not that's coming at that point I don't know, but as of right now we only have these three items to unbox. Right, so what we'll do is I'm going to do these individually, so I'll put the iPad mini to a side and we'll concentrate on the iPhone for now. So firstly, with the unboxing, as everybody's mentioned, you no longer have the plastic wrap, so instead what you have is these little bits of tape essentially that are on the inside. So you literally just tear each of these away and we can then get in. So as is now the case, we always get the phone up top first. So taking that out, you also get a lightning cable, USB-C to lightning that is, and then you get a pamphlet with a few stickers and probably a SIM ejection tool. So we'll just pop that to a side and you can have your first look of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And there is the first look of the new notch. So we will power this on. And whilst that's powering up, what I'll do is we'll get the leather case unboxed. So this is a genuine case directly from Apple as well. I have already noticed a slight defect just there. There's a slight discoloration in the actual leather itself, so it may be a case where I end up sending this back if that doesn't fade over the next couple of days. Right, so first thing I wanted to do was actually check to see whether the animation still works, because when I've tested this with my 12 Pro Max, the animation wasn't actually working, the one that you get when you basically pop on the case. So first thing we'll do is pop this in. Okay, so you get a sound, but you don't actually get to the animation. Right, so there is the 13 Pro Max. And because I need to get this all set up and everything, what I'll do is I'm going to use the iPhone that I'm actually recording with. So I'll do that a little later. Okay, so now what we're doing is taking a look at the iPad mini. So this, I actually ordered a few days after I pre-ordered the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this for some reason still comes in shrink wrap, so they've not updated the packaging on the iPad mini just yet. So this is a bare bones version essentially, so if you take a look at the spec, it is a 64 gig version. Initially I just wanted to take a look at what it's like. I've not had an iPad mini before, and I've not had any of the iPads with the new design either, so it'll be interesting to see what this is actually like. And yeah, first impressions is that is a lot more purple than it actually looks in the pictures. On camera it might actually come across as almost like a space grey kind of colour, but in person the purple does definitely come through. Bezels, yeah, I don't think in the picture, same thing again, the pictures make the bezel look very big. I think in person they're probably just about the right size for you to be able to hold it. The camera cutout, it does stand out quite a bit. Same thing with this. I'll get it set up and then I'll do a follow-up video. Hey everyone, so welcome back, and we finally have the iPad mini. It's finally arrived. For some strange reason it was actually sent out via a different courier, so hence why it didn't come with the previous two. So for this we're actually going to have a slightly different angle for the unboxing. So here we have it. It is the pink iPhone 13 mini, and this I believe is the 256 gig. Yeah, you should be able to see it just there, the 256 gig model. So similar to the Pro Max, we just have these two tear strips. So there's one, there is the other. Get those out of the way. And there we have it. So that, yes, is definitely very, very pink. Similarly, again, I'm not sure how much of the color will actually be coming across on camera. Now, I have always found that with any of the sort of standard models, not the Pro models, the colors and the fact that you've got the glossy black, it always seems a bit less professional, if you like. It's a bit more childish, if that's even the right way of putting it. So peeling off the front cover and getting it booted up. Now this is the first mini iPhone that I've actually held in my hand for quite a while. As you can see, the Pro Max is still transferring data, but it's quite a big difference. The notch on this particular one, probably more beneficial in terms of having the smaller notch. Obviously this one doesn't come with the ProMotion display, and obviously the triple camera lens, as well as a few other things that you get with the Pro Max model, or the Pro models in particular, rather than just the standard 13s. So this one I've ordered just to take a look at it, see what it's like, see what the battery life is like as well, because that was one thing that I was actually quite disappointed with in terms of all of the 12 series, where even my 12 Pro Max battery life, it's already dropped down to about 93% in terms of the battery health. And whilst this is good, it was nowhere near as good as my 11 Pro Max from the year before. So when I actually do a comparison between all of those, what you'll notice is that this one, the 13s in particular, should be a lot better in terms of battery life. What else do we get in the box? So you get the cable, and you get a little pamphlet and everything with a little SIM ejector tool. What I'll do is I'll get this booted up. I'll probably give this to either my son or my daughter or someone like that, one of the kids, just to test out, see how well it actually lasts day to day, and then obviously I will do follow-up videos. For now, that's it. Obviously, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way you've been notified whenever I do any follow-up videos on any of this. And I'd really appreciate if you also give this video a thumbs up. That really helps people to actually see the video. And until the next one, thanks very much for watching.